Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover this airdrop Astra Nova. This airdrop, guys, takes 5 minutes and is a free airdrop possibility. The airdrop is confirmed, the information is there, so we are going to do, like always, a little bit of review about what Astra Nova is and also the step-by-step on how to apply to this airdrop. Really easy, directly to the point. And guys, if you want to participate on my private Discord or you want to use my application that I developed on the last 5 months and I launched that a couple of days ago, you can go here and check how my app works and how it could help you to make airdrops really easy, how to apply them. And before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, like always, the Airdrop Organizer, this link is in the description. This is free for you. You can enter here and see all the projects that I have been doing airdrops, and you have the access to everything, the potential status, the video that I did for each of the projects, and the link for the step-by-step that I did here on the spreadsheet list. So everything is here for you for free. And if you want to be more serious about airdrops, you need to go and subscribe to my Discord and my application. We are doing great things there, a lot of people helping each other, and we are covering more airdrops than in my videos there. It's really amazing. Shout out to everyone that is in my Discord. I really appreciate everything that you are doing there. And don't forget to use my app that I am continue doing updates there and fixing all the different things that the people that is using the app is commenting me. But I saw many thank you messages. The people is really liking the application, and we are going to continue building on that. So guys, today we are going to cover Astra Nova. This is a Web3, the first true meta RPG co-creator with gamers, for gamers, and it's built on Hedera. I really like Hedera, and I think it's going to be one of those blockchains that will really pump on the next bull run. The website of Astra Nova, really simple, not much to comment here. The only thing that I really like it is the LinkedIn of the different co-founders, and if you check there, you can see that both of them have been working here as a full-time job from the last 2 years or 1.5 years. So they are really working on Astra Nova full-time, and I really appreciate when I see that. So this project is really near to launch their token and NFTs and a couple of things, and they have been building 2 years, so I applaud that. I really like what I see in terms of effort of the team and transparency. And they are going to launch the NFTs really soon in 4 days, but in order to participate in the airdrop, which is what I really like, you really need to do it right now. So let's go to the step-by-step. We will participate on the tier 3. There are 3 tiers that they are going to airdrop, but none of them we can apply right now. This is a total of 15 million RBB tokens for 20,000 winners. So we have really a lot of possibilities on this. And if you go to the Discord, you're going to see that the total user amount here is not even 40,000 users. So probably you are going to be one of the winners. There's a lot of chance to win this airdrop. That is really cool. The tier 3 is the basic level where all participants who complete the airdrop form will be entered to win. So yes, you hear correctly. We only need to complete 1 form and we are participating. You don't need to come back and do swaps or anything like that. So you will take only 5 minutes to apply on this. This pool includes 50 million RBB tokens, and 20,000 winners will select at random to receive between 100 and 750 RBB tokens. 40% of airdropped tokens will be unlocked at token generation event, and the remaining will be subject to a vesting schedule and will undergo a 6-month linear unlock, during which time the unlocked tokens will be deposited into the Hedera wallet addresses provided on the airdrop form. So really easy to understand. All this information, you are going to find it here on the Astra Nova airdrop. They have been super transparent, and what I just read to you, you are going to find it here. You also can participate on tier 1. But in order to do that, you need to have some NFTs. So that is not possible until you can mint the derivatives NFTs. So in the tier 1, you have 20,000 RBB for 150 winners. The tier 2 is 3,000 RBB for each of the 4,000 winners. And the tier 3, which is the one that we are going to apply right now. If you want to apply to the tier 1 and 2, please go to this link, read everything. But if you are here just for the tier 3 and you can forget it about this, then let's go into the step by step. Step 1, like always, follow them on Twitter. Step 2, follow them on Discord. You need to do that. Then step 3, you will need a Hedera wallet. So install the Blade Wallet Chrome extension here if you want. Here is the link that Astra Nova provide. Actually, it's a refer link, kind of a refer link for Blade Wallet for Astra Nova. It's not my refer link. And I recommend you to use it because maybe, I don't know, maybe they consider best the winners if you are using their link. But that is a link that you can find in the official documentation of this airdrop. So it's nothing from the other world, it's everything there. So when you click there, you're going to be sent to this link. You can get it on the Google Play or the App Store or as a Chrome extension. Once you click there, it's going to be like always, guys, like any other MetaMask wallet or extension wallet that you install it. You put a password, a key phrase and everything like that. And you are going to have your key, your public key, which is your address. So after you do that, then we need to do the step 4. Step 4 is you go to the airdrop page of Astra Nova and it's really easy to participate. You will need to follow and retweet stuff, follow the Discord and get a role, connect your MetaMask address, set an email, so you need to put an email there, and you need to put your Hedera wallet, the one that you just created if you didn't have any. And you need to answer some basic questions. After that, you send the form and you are done. And the last step, it will be if you want to know more about entering the tier 1 and tier 2 for getting more tokens, then you can go to the link and check there everything. So once you are here on the link, guys, you need to connect your Twitter account, you need to follow Astra Nova, and you need to follow the Vechain NFTs, which are part of this gaming project. You need to like and retweet this tweet. That will be it for Twitter. You need to join Discord, and you need to get a verified human role here. It's very easy, just verify the Discord. You need to connect your wallet here. The wallet that you connect is a MetaMask here. It's not your Hedera wallet. Then you need to provide an email here, and here you enter your Hedera wallet address. So here is why you need the Hedera wallet that we created on Blade. So put here your address, and then you need to answer, are you interested in buying a Devintan's Mint Pass to get a guaranteed tier 1, tier 2 airdrop? And you need to put yes or no here, enter this letter according what you want. I don't know, you guys, I of course put yes here, even if I don't do it at the end, but I think that will be best for you. And then what interests you about Astra Nova and Deviants. And you can just put any comment here that you want. You click register and you are done, guys. So it's really, really easy to do. After you've done everything, guys, and if you want, you can go here and verify. This is a screenshot. You go to astranova/verify, so the same URL but in verify, and you put here your MetaMask wallet, and when you connect there you can check your status. It says that you are registered for Astra Nova 30 million RBB airdrop and the Binance Mint Pass allow list, but winners have not been yet finalized. So you can see there, going into the link here on step 5/verify, you can verify if you win something or not. But that is all, guys, just to apply for tier 3. Remember, if you want to apply for tier 1 and 2, you will need to answer yes on the form. And in the launch in 4 days, you are going to be able to mint those tokens and do everything to participate on tier 1 and 2. Guys, that is all for the video. Astra Nova only takes 5 minutes to complete the form. This is a free airdrop and a guarantee airdrop, because what I thought is that you have 1/2 chances to win, because there are almost 40,000 followers on Discord and you need Discord to participate here, and it's almost ready to finish this. So guys, I think you probably are going to have 100 or 700 tokens from this, and maybe in 1-2 years on the next bull run, if these projects continue, that could worth something if you want to hold them. And remember to check this video on how my app could help you with your airdrops. Besides, you want to subscribe or not, check it and put your comment what do you think about the app. That will be all guys. Follow me on Twitter at CryptoState, and before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.